I'm Nicole with explore-ftl, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new listing to the website or claim an existing listing. Before we get started, let me show you what a featured listing looks like. So I'm going to click the bars link on the top navigation. And then we are going to scroll down to see that the Beyond Billiards listing is a featured listing. So you can see here that it has a featured image that makes it very nice to look at. And then it also has a featured badge. And then when we click into it, we are going to see more special things that come up with the featured listings. We've got a badge that shows it's featured. We've got a badge that shows it's verified. We have a short description about the business. We have some more photos of the business. And we also have a website link, a Facebook link, and an Instagram link. So if you want your website to show up on the Explore FTL website like this, you are going to want to click the Add Your Business Listing in the top right, and you're going to come to this page. You can also get to that page by clicking this Claim Listing button on your business listing. If you want to claim your existing listing or add a new listing to the site, you do have to pay for a featured listing, which is $19 a month. It includes all of this, and you can cancel anytime. So the first thing you have to do is create an account to get started. So put in your username, your email, and choose a password. And when you're done with that, click register. After that's done, you'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. And you'll also get an email that looks something like this. Note that if you have any questions, you can reply to this email and get to me. Now let's get back to the Explore FTL website. First, let me show you what you're going to do if your business is already listed on the website. So first we'll search for a business that I know is already here. And then I'm going to click the search button. If you happen to have more than one listing that comes up for your business, you want to click your main location. So I am going to click the Greek Joint Hollywood for this example. And then I'm going to click the Claim Listing button on the listing right here. When you click that, this form will pop up. It's important that you fill out this form so I can confirm that you're the actual owner of the restaurant and you're not just some weirdo trying to steal your business listing. Now, if I can find your email address on your website somewhere easily and I can tell it's a legitimate email address with the business, I might just approve it without trying to contact you. If it's not, I will probably contact you to make sure that you are the actual owner or somebody in charge of making changes to this business listing. So you want to fill out your information here and then click send. And now remember, every time you claim a listing, you have to pay for it as a featured listing. So then you want to click the checkout button. And then you fill out all your information on this page and then go ahead and put in your credit card information and then click pay now. This is a $19 a month subscription that will be auto billed on the credit card you use when you check out. After you check out, you will come to a payment confirmation page that looks something like this. And do note that we do need 2 to 3 business days to confirm your ownership and to set up the featured listing for you. If you don't hear from us within 3 business days, reply to that welcome email and we'll figure out what's going on. Let's head back to my account and I'll show you how to add a new business listing if your business isn't already listed on the website. So we're going to click my account. And if you did the search and your business is not on the website, you're going to click add new listing. And then you're going to want to fill in the listing details about your business. If your business has multiple locations, put your main location here and we'll add more later. You can add additional locations for $5 per location per month. And again, you have to pay for it to be a featured listing before it goes live on the website. And we are going to make sure this fits our quality standards before we put it live because, of course, we don't want any ugly, low quality stuff on the site because it devalues it for everybody. So here's what you want to do here to fill out your information. First, go ahead and put in your business name. Not only do I run the Explore FTL website, but I also have a website design business called Ventus Design Studio. So that's what I'm going to use to set up this listing. So there's my business name. Then you're going to want to put in a business description so you could describe your website to people that are visiting your listing that might not be very familiar with you. Next, you want to choose a category. If nothing listed here makes sense for you, just go ahead and click uncategorized and I will add it for you. Then you want to put in your address and then click this set address on map button. And the marker will move to automatically put the map marker where your business is. Next, put in your phone number, your website address, your Facebook, and your Instagram. Note that all of this stuff is optional besides the address and the category and the business name. Everything that has the red asterisk is required. So you don't have to put this stuff, but this is the big benefit of a featured listing. So you want to do this. So there's my phone number, my website address, my Facebook, and I don't use Instagram for my business, so I'm going to leave that one blank. Next, there's an option to add photos. If you'd like, you need to have at least one picture for a featured image. If you don't choose one, I can choose a stock photo for you. And of course, I will make sure it's good with you before we put it live. But it's very important that if you do add photos, they don't have any text on them. Because in certain circumstances, I overlay text on them. And if there's text on top of text, it's just going to be hard to read and look really bad. And then when you're done, go ahead and click Submit Listing. And then it will redirect you to the same checkout page, and then you just do the checkout process the same way as if you're claiming an existing listing. And again, I will need 2 to 3 days to verify that you are the correct owner and to make sure the listing meets our quality standards. I will contact you if I have any questions or any issues, and you're not going to be declined if the listing doesn't meet our quality standards. We will just work together to get it there. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and email me at hello@explore-ftl.com. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so other people can find it easier also. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to help your business grow through the Explore FTL website.